Tired of dust, crumbs, and pet hair taking over your car and home? Meet the Car Vacuum Portable Cordless, the ultimate 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner and air duster. With 18,000 PA powerful suction and a 130-watt brushless motor, it sucks up dirt in seconds. The built-in LED light lets you clean even the darkest corners with ease. Powered by a massive 7,800 milliamp-hour battery, enjoy long-lasting cleaning on a single charge. Comes with multiple nozzles, perfect for your car, home, office, and even pet hair. Make cleaning quick, easy, and hassle-free. Get yours today!